Hello, this is MovinsEdition Alex. This item is Nike Air Jordan. It's a new product owned by MovinsEdition and it's Nike Air Jordan Dub Zero Laser 30th. Air Jordan Dub Zero Laser 30th combines the solid unit of Air Jordan 4, the ring design of the rear part of Air Jordan 6, the shoe tongue part of Air Jordan 12, and the upper part of Air Jordan 13. It's a Nike Air Jordan the Zero product that combines the advantages of the Jordan series before Air Jordan Spizek. Jordan Dub Zero is dressed in a white and metallic silver color scheme. The shoe is completed with a laser print upper, 3M reflective details, wolf gray panels, along with classic charcoal and white, completed with an icy translucent outsole. Air Jordan Dub Zero Laser men's basketball shoe stands out with its intricately detailed, laser-etched upper. Air sole units provide impact protection, while its hidden lacing system and foam-backed collar lock down a performance fit. Laser-etched details celebrate the history of